All right, it is 6 o'clock Monday morning. Good morning, Revelstoke. Hey, good morning. It is just after 6 a.m. on the hillside in Revelstoke. One of the things that I just wanted to talk about quickly before I packed up here this morning is it's about 5 degrees this morning, so not seriously cold, but definitely getting cool. One of the ways I like to stay comfortable, kind of cheat, is with a heated blanket, which is that white cord you see heading up there. I was at about 91% last night. I just plugged it in this morning. I'm at 45 when I woke up. So basically overnight, I used approximately 575 watt hours running my heated blanket on low. And one of the ways that I do that in order to make it as efficient as possible is I put the blanket underneath my sleeping bag. So here's inside the tent. And what you can see is I've got my sleeping bag on top, I've got the heated blanket, and then I have another sleeping bag on bottom. I add an extra thermarest or air mattress just so that I can be as comfortable as possible. Now, if it's getting down to like -10, -15, I've even been out at -20, then I might be considering either really good gear or cheating again using the Planar diesel heater. That thing makes it like you're in an RV and keeps it super dry inside. I did not have a ton of condensation, a little tiny bit up on the top bit of fabric. Just of course, that's from my breath overnight. Yeah, so I'm gonna get packed up here and then we're heading into Calgary this morning. So stay tuned for further adventures. Okay, well, I've made it to Alberta and it's about 2 degrees and raining. You probably can't see, but those mountains behind me, yeah, they're high, they're covered in snow, it's chilly, but I did find this pretty neat little camp spot right on the side of the river. Nice and quiet, not a sound around, so should be a good night nonetheless. Just gonna cook up some dinner here and then probably gonna be heading off up into the roof nest tent where I can snuggle in and be warm. Till tomorrow. Well, good morning. Day 3 on my Alberta camping tour. It got cold last night. Yeah, I don't know if you can see this here. Let me turn the camera around. There's a fair bit of frost inside the tent here. I don't know if you're able to see that, but that's all frozen. Felt like I got cold last night, but let's see what kind of view we wake up to this morning, shall we? Oh, that's not bad. Look at that mountain off in the distance. Beautiful. So, yeah, kept pretty warm in the Falcon. I did have my heated blanket on last night, but really, you know, the condensation is not too bad. Just a little bit up on the fabric, kind of straight above me here where all my breath would have been. Otherwise, it's bone dry in here. And you can see with that blackout fabric, I could not even tell it was daylight outside. It's like 8 o'clock, so nice sleeping and super bright outside. Yeah, got the integrated lights, of course, and we've got the pockets. I got my shoes and stuff in there. So I'm really impressed with this tent. The mattress is super comfortable. This actually has a memory foam mattress, not a high density fabric or mattress, sorry. and that helps a ton. All right, let's get on to day 3. It's gonna be cold, but I think I might have to try out that shower, that geyser shower. We'll see. Yeah, it was cold. Look at that. Frozen there. All of the, even underneath the awning, everything's iced up. The truck, it's iced up. All those water droplets, that's all ice. The rain has left. The sun is out. It's a bit cold here in Alberta, but man, you're beautiful. All right, let's make some coffee. I said coffee, but I'm making tea. Oh, look at this. That just turned on. So, we're at temp. Now, as long as that doesn't go over, pump too hot, I'm already ready for a shower. So basically, I need to set up a privacy tent and get on this. Got my soap. In we go. Woo! Okay. There we have it. Brr. So, despite it being a very warm shower, the time it takes to get dried off and dressed when it's still very cold out does give you the chills. But I am feeling like $1,000,000. I got my hair cleaned, I'm showered head to toe. Before I close up for the day here, I wanted to just point out something that I really enjoy about the Roof Nest Falcon Pro. And that is that unlike most wedge style tents, you can actually close it up with some sleeping gear inside. When it comes to hard shell tents, you know, speed is one of the big things. I have a sleeping bag, I have a heated blanket, I have another sleeping bag, I even have an extra mattress just because I'm old. And I can close this entire thing up with all that gear in there, which means A, it's way less pack up. B, when I get to camp, when I'm on a road trip like this, which is usually late at night, boom, I'm ready to go. Just those are the sort of things you might want to look at when you're choosing what are the things you're looking for in a rooftop tent. Okay, I just arrived here at Treeline's workshop. We're gonna pop inside and we're gonna go talk to Luke, and he's gonna show us their brand new Canadian made tent.